all, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have some big flagship phone in front of me. I will do some booting tests between these big flagship phones. We have here iPhone 11. After that we have Samsung Galaxy Ultra 20 Plus. Then we have Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Then we have iPhone 12, the latest greatest iPhone from Apple. So the first test I will do here between iPhone 12 and Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So let's go to those two phones. Take them at my hand. Here we go. You can see both of them, the lovely device and expensive phones. So here is a power button of Samsung, here is a power button of Apple. I hold both of them at the same time. Let's see. I leave Samsung, I leave Apple. Let's see the booting time. Apple boots faster than Samsung S20 Plus. So Apple iPhone is the winner. In this case, Samsung is still loading. We'll wait for that. So you can see Apple iPhone 12 is faster in this case. This is 1 year older phone. This is more new phone in chipset and RAM, all the technology. Now I'll do something. I will close all the apps of these phones. I will check if any app is there or not. I will close them all. So I don't have nothing here. All the apps are closed. I will do the same with Samsung S20 Plus. Okay, if you want to buy this phone, it still is a good option. This one is a beautiful display phone. So I will check if I have any app open. Nothing, only one app. And I will shut it down and we'll do again the test. So you see no apps, nothing is open, almost brand new. They have same type of app because I use them daily basis. So they have same apps, nothing extra one to another. I will shut it down. Here we go. And to iPhone, I will shut it down too. I shut down. So one more time, I will change my hand in this case. And let's see, here is the iPhone. I will hold them same time. Here we go, 1, 2, and 3. Samsung is there. Let's see. This time Samsung is opening faster, and no, iPhone 12 is better. It boots faster than Samsung. So iPhone 12 is the clear winner, guys. Samsung S20 Plus is a good phone though, but still iPhone is the winner. Okay guys, in my next video I'm gonna compare more phones. You can see here I have more phones. I can do more comparison if you guys like. And if you want to see some particular phone comparison as this, write me at the comment section. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.